White ink. These cards aren't blank. There's something written in them.
My papa reads encrypted messages for a living. We can take the cards to him and find out what they say.
What do you have for me?
This is the first card I received when I was 10.
Ah, yes. Find me where the flowers grow. I'm in the garden down below.
That doesn't make sense. What is it, some kind of riddle?
Maybe we'll understand if we read all the cards.
This is the second card.
XYZXB. That is the key to set me free.
Do you have a pencil?
Here.
What are you doing?
I'm writing it down. It must be some kind of code. This is the third card.
The place I am you have in your memory. We used to play there before you were stolen from me.
Wait a minute. I know the place.